So you got a slight voltage drop in this one, okay, which isn't, because probably one of the packs needs a bit of an adjustment, which we can do later. But as you can see, it's not 12 volts anymore. Now if I now put it back into park, because I've got it in neutral specifically so that it inhibits the motor run. It's not going to start, so let me start it. Okay, now you didn't see it drop down to 12. You can see it's low, but that's probably because the pack that I put in is slightly lower voltage, which is okay. Yeah, because look at these are all 18.2, 18.3 now, 18.4, and this one's still a bit lower. It's just slightly lower, it's not a big deal. So what I'll probably need to do is just simply get it up to the same voltage. So I'll measure the voltage of the other packs and then charge the new two packs up to the same voltage, and then it's balancing it. There we go. It's not too far out, I mean that's 0.3 volts, but what it's not doing is dipping down. You have to forgive the, I've got a YouTube on the TV, so now I just need to reset everything, and then that should get rid of it all, I believe. In fact, let's do that now while we're on. Come on. There we go. Erase codes. Okay. Alright. Go back. Come on, react quicker, man. This is bloody Windows CE. Come on. There we go. Erase codes. Yes, it stopped. Okay, and now the problem thing's gone. And then go back to the engine. I'm pretty sure that's just empty. I'll erase them anyway, just in case. It says problem. Right, it's just come back with a code. I don't know what it's come back with. That's interesting. Let's have a look. So many bloody menus. They should make it so battery control system. And then what's it say? Read codes. No, we're not replacing the bloody pack. Okay, that's got rid of the code. Read code. No faults. Yeah, it's just a bit low. And we can do live data. It's amazing how it just trivially says, replace battery pack, that's £4,000. Oh look, now it's registering a good voltage. Okay, yeah, it's just that one that's a bit low, and I can bring the charge up, but that's fine.